To integrate SonarQube with Jenkins for static code analysis, follow these steps. Install SonarQube. Ensure that SonarQube is installed and running. You can download it from the official website. Start SonarQube by running the following. Set up SonarQube credentials. Navigate to the SonarQube dashboard at http localhost 9000. Create a new project or import an existing one. Generate a token for Jenkins authentication by navigating to the following. Configure Jenkins for SonarQube integration. Install SonarQube Scanner plugin. In Jenkins, go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. Search for and install the SonarQube Scanner plugin. Create a Jenkins job. Create a new freestyle project or pipeline job in Jenkins. Configure build steps. In the build section, add the step to run the SonarQube scanner. Save and build. Save the job configuration. Trigger the Jenkins job, and the SonarQube scanner will analyze your code and report findings. Monitor analysis results. After the build, review the SonarQube results in the Jenkins build output or directly on the SonarQube dashboard for detailed insights.